Today, I'm going to debunk the most common myths about trading robots. Are trading robots really all you need to earn effortless profits, or is that simply something that fake traders on social media have led many to believe? After many years of learning, trading, and mentoring, I'm here to share the truth about trading with robots. Stay tuned as I expose and explain the 3 biggest myths out there about trading with robots, and I will include an additional 2 myths that are crucial to be understood. Let's start with the biggest myth of all. Trading robots guarantees profits. No trading system, automated or manual, can guarantee profits. The financial markets are unpredictable, and many factors can affect the value of any asset. So, while trading robots execute trades based on certain rules and parameters, they cannot predict all market movements. It's crucial for traders to understand that these tools are designed to assist in executing strategies, but they don't guarantee success. Myth number 2. Trading robots eliminate the need for human intervention. No. While the point of trading robots is to open and close trades automatically, they still require us, as traders, to be involved. Market conditions can change quickly, and a strategy or robot that was very profitable in recent market conditions might become unprofitable. It's important to monitor your accounts and ensure you're trading a robot with the best possible chance for success in current market conditions. Myth number 3. All trading robots are scams. Now, I know many of you have been scammed by so-called gurus or developers selling robots with promises of massive profits. There are thousands of these scammers out there, unfortunately. Although many, and possibly the majority of robots being sold on the internet do fall into this category, there are real and very good robots out there. Many reputable developers offer legitimate and effective expert advisors. These developers do not make promises like being able to turn $10 into $100,000 in a year, but rather they offer steady profits in the long term. It's crucial for traders to research, read reviews, and verify performance results before investing in a trading robot. Personally, I do not spend a cent on a robot until I've had a chance to thoroughly test it. If there isn't a trial period or a money-back guarantee, I just won't use it. We are constantly testing and reviewing robots on our channel. So if you want to make sure you never miss a review, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll know as soon as a new video is dropped. Myth number 4. Trading robots are only for experienced traders. One of the main benefits of trading robots is that they are really easy to install and use. Almost anyone with a little bit of computer knowledge can start trading. And that doesn't mean you need to invest any money. At the Academy, we offer a completely free 21-day program which includes free courses, free robots, and free PDF downloads, and even a free one-on-one mentoring call with me, where you can ask me any questions you may have. You'll learn how to open demo trading accounts so you can practice what you're learning as you go along without risking any of your own money. Demo trading is vital, and brokers like Eightcap offer free demo accounts in both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. They're a broker we use extensively in the Academy because they're well regulated, offer hundreds of tradable assets, educational resources, 24-hour support, and some of the best trading conditions out there. So, even as a complete beginner, you have everything you need at your fingertips. I'll leave the link to the 21-day program and Eightcap down below in the description so you can check them out at any time. And the final myth, myth number 5. Trading robots can replace the need for learning and education. Absolutely not. Once you've mastered the basics and you're comfortable with trading platforms, placing and monitoring your robots, and managing multiple accounts, there's more to learn. That doesn't mean you have to sit in front of your computer or textbook studying. It can be fun. You can try different strategies, create your own EAs using an app like EA Studio, which is covered in the 21-day program. You can join our forum and chat to like-minded traders and become part of our community. There are so many ways to keep growing as a trader and becoming more and more successful. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. If there are any other myths you feel need debunking, please let me know down below in the comments. I'll see you guys soon, and in the meantime, check out this video to learn more about a trading strategy that no longer requires any demo testing. I'll see you soon on Trade Safe.